It's no surprise that Florida's coastal habitats are in decline. Coastal development and poor water quality are two of the biggest drivers of habitat loss. It's us, we're the problem. We also need to be the solution. The best course of action is to protect the few natural habitats we have left and to restore degraded habitats still critical to our fisheries. In the case of juvenile tarpon, BTT research shows that 2/3 of the most critical habitats in Florida are already altered or degraded. Over the years, BTT has consulted on the design of restoration projects in Florida and the Bahamas, like Coral Creek in Charlotte County and August Creek on Grand Bahama Island. Now we're taking an even more active role in leading on-the-ground restoration. One great example can be found at Rookery Bay on Florida's Gulf Coast, where BTT leads the planning of a project to restore hydrology and conserve valuable habitat for fish and wildlife. The benefits of this work will not only enhance fish habitat, but also improve water quality and increase coastal resilience from storm events and sea level rise.
To learn more, visit btt.org.